In front of me is Vivo V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. First of all, find an app called Files that's already on your device, and when you're ready, launch it. Now select the Downloads category, and as you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. Now my favorite part, you can access one by clicking on it on the left and manage it by tapping on those three dots on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!